Reading and comprehension, fundamental building blocks for all future learning. Challenging as it may be for some children, the Ministry of Education has a long-standing mantra: every child can learn, every child must learn. And with that vision firmly in sight, the ministry has been on a mission to improve the literacy levels of children. Between September 2013 and August 2015, it collaborated with the United States Agency for International Development, USAID, to provide technical assistance to the National Literacy Program. The Partnership for Improved Reading Outcomes strengthened the comprehensive reading program in hundreds of schools, 450 in Year 1 and 300 schools in Year 2.
The activity reached over 100,000 students, trained over 1,000 teachers, delivered 125 parents' places, and provided thousands of reading books to schools. 87 reading coaches were employed to work with the National Literacy Team, providing direct support to teachers.
The literacy team provided direct support to teachers from grades 1 through 3.
Special attention was given to gender-sensitive instruction, as it is important to understand issues related to the instruction of boys and girls. A gender specialist who worked with the team developed a gender manual that is of tremendous value to the system.
Parents' places were also established in schools to teach parents how to help their children to read.
Under this project, the ministry reported increased interest in learning by students attending schools where parent places were established.
The Partnership for Improved Reading Outcomes between the Education Ministry and USAID has borne fruit.
We are pleased that the grade 3 children who benefited from the various interventions were among those who surpassed expectations in the recent grade 4 literacy test.
The program assisted the ministry in surpassing the 2015 to 2016 literacy target. The goal was for 85% mastery of the grade 4 literacy test, but the actual result was 86.5%. With the successful completion of that reading project, the Education Ministry is again partnering with USAID on another literacy venture. This time, it's the USAID Latin America and the Caribbean Reads Capacity Program.
This LAC Reads Capacity Program supports early grade reading and aims to increase the impact, the scale, the sustainability of early grade reading interventions in Jamaica.
The 5-year program, which was formally launched in March 2016, is being rolled out in 8 countries and will end in 2019. It will facilitate the collection of information associated with early reading from birth through age 8. For example, information on the impediments to reading. The data will help to craft solutions that will guide policy decisions.
Participating countries will remain connected, share resources and experiences, while actively using the evidence gathered to inform policy decisions, and implement approaches and actions to improve early grade reading.
It will be coordinated by the American Institute for Research, and EduConnect Jamaica will implement the program in Jamaica. The Education Ministry has endorsed the initiative. Permanent Secretary Dr. Marie Smith says the research will assist in the crafting of programs that promote critical thinking.
As a country, we are going to have to pay special attention to how we think. It is not an incidental outcome. It is something for which we must be purposeful, we must be intentional, we must be deliberate.
The Ministry of Education, partnering with the United States Agency for International Development to improve the literacy levels of Jamaican children.